All right, I now need Rick and Chris for a game we call Sound Effects. He's going to set us up. I need 2 more volunteers. All right, young lady, come on up here. What's your name? Shelly. Shelly, come on, give it up for Shelly. All right, and you, young sir, come on up.
Shelly, why don't you go ahead and have a seat?
Come on this side. And Shelly, I'm sorry, you're going to be on this side. I apologize. You're giving misdirection. All right, so Shelly and what is your name? And CJ are going to participate. Chris and Rick are going to do a scene, except for, they're not so good at the sound effects. So these two are going to provide all the sound effects for everything that happens in the scene. Chris will go ahead and...
So like an example is like, oh, look, a bird.
So she's going to make her... There was a whole bunch of birds. That was Alfred Hitchcock.
All right, so for me, look, a monkey.
Look, the cow says.
Nice. Excellent. Okay, and these two are on an epic quest for what?
Water.
For
Twinkies.
what was it? You're on an epic quest for Twinkies and action.
Dude.
I'm out of insulin.
I need something sweet and quick.
We've got to get you some sugar, man.
I know. You know what the best thing is? Twinkies. Yep, exactly. So you know what? Let's get on our bicycles. And we're going to ride to the store and get some Twinkies.
Like the Queen song.
I know, let's get on the bicycle. Hold on. Let me ring the bell on mine. Oh. Hold on, let me get some oil for that. Put some oil. It's silent oil. Let me try it again. Oh, much better.
Nice puffy. Check out the horn on this.
I
Stole it off a garbage barn.
All right, let's write down to the Circle K, okay? Whoa. Right here. I'm gonna put my bike in the back.
Okay, put my kickstand down. And you just lock this up so no one steals it.
You should use something a little stronger than yarn.
I lost my job at the 7-Eleven last
You're late. You know what? I'm going to go in the convenience store. Watch this when I go in the door. I know.
The bell sounds like Neil Diamond.
Dude!
Oh
My goodness. All right. Look at this. All right, cool.
Count our change.
Oh, you got some money?
Yeah.
How much you got? Oh, that's not very much. Hold up. Let me get some change out of my pocket. That's $100 bills. That's what they sound like.
You know, you're not supposed to catch the change for the toll booth.
Oh.
You're supposed to let it go in.
Whoops.
How much did you get?
$17. I know, Twinkie time.
Here, let me give this to one. Here, sir. Buy a hamburger.
Thank you.
He's been here for years.
All right, cool. I got Twinkies. Oops, I squished them. I'm gonna take those. Let me grab oh, you know what? Twinkies is enough. Let me get some Cheetos. Let me get a soda. That's like a futuristic soda.
Let me get that door for you.
Wow, you got both of them at the same time. That's impressive. Cool. Let me get some ice cream. Sounds just like the Cheetos. All right, cool. Let's. Why don't you pay the guy for it?
Oh, gross. Yeah. I'm not checking your pockets.
Here. Give him
Oh, jeez.
He said to pick up the money.
Oh, right. $14.
All right, cool. Let's make a run for it. Let's get in the bicycle.
Okay.
Untie it with the yarn.
Whoa, slow down. You're very by the book today.
I gotta have my sugar.
You're craving the sugar. You just get all rule following.
Really, you gotta get some phenome for that, man. All right, I'm gonna grab my bike. All right, cool. You know what?
Why don't we just play some Call of Duty at your house?
Okay, cool. Let's get there.
Get out of the way, lady! I got warrants.
Oh, you gotta make a run for it.
Okay, you distract him with the bell, and then I'm gonna start pedaling.
Okay, and here's my bell.
See?